Why Jubilee News? Nima Bawumia Akwaba. Na se we subscribe to the channel that say over subscribe. We are behind say over click a subscribe button. Now we be notification when sa new video biara also was it can be. I feel we are now like video no. Give us a thumbs up, my thumbs up. Now free share my upload for us now when you do that work. I feel you go a some of the total into and some air cost indeed.
Meno kasa ya krata efri Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, vice presidential candidate in chamber. Or say, head no. I do not mean to denigrate former president Dr. Kwame Nkrumah or any other president. My statement last Tuesday, 9th July, in Kumasi on the performance of the president Akufo-Addo has elicited varied reactions. The statement reflects my personal opinion about President Akufo-Addo's impact relative to other presidents we've had. I wish to emphasize that I never meant to disrespect our former president, Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, or any of the former heads of state, including my own grand uncle and mentor, John Ejekun Kufuor. I note the concerns raised after my statement. I apologize sincerely and regret any discomfort caused. Thank you. Signed, Dr. Matthew Opoku Prempeh, running mate to the presidential candidate, Dr. Bawumia, July 12, 2024. Hey!
You are watching Juicy News on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ati wanyana jinse udi Kwame Nkrumah tem kasa na wonim anana no pae ya tene fis wa sabi Kwame Nkrumah so bodu edi ka me ma pa nipa no bondia no cho esa afi nya ba me ene za ne de afi on fa ne snap mra sentiment mu wa suman kwa hin won de be ko be kunsa na pa Kwame Nkrumah be konzima ya kwa ko kunsa na fi ya ko muzorio na wolo mfo
the way sawa amabia
ye we na awia
me ayi I just say sawa amabia
oh mo Kwame Nkrumah no ebiabo se ko no ka entam ana wa ba me so me no nyia fa before ya ye so
was entwen ye me pa show
atom ka obodua
and no was me pa show
Matthew Opoku Prempeh ka mo Kwame Nkrumah no ye CPP before ebiabo sabi sabo bu Kwame Nkrumah no enunti sabi aka no sabi aba bontene die ye ditum aya top phase 1 the tell ye thing at top phase 2 which is say on fan samra na kofu a sabi ye di omtu so mi ya panya ezie e ma no kwa samra do ko pan kofu a cho no ye fa nya panya na pe Kwame Nkrumah hu se nana no sabi ko so ne boy na nti waka o je mama naka tanya sa hey Kwame Napo because at the way I'm making an end to a long era of Bia sorry no na Kwame Nkrumah nimro di skill form on Bia enyo no and can do on mine Obia enyo no a said in Kenya na so ablofo ade no to into phase 1 yati let's say you do
Mati
na let's no minimum completely before because also CPP before you be yet start before videos in the first half let's say about on to copy the convention people's party then from more down na for party
Mati
so on fan samra na fe ye poku ya pai anya sa ye CPP before ye na pop na adwa homa so ta ko pese ye se we
Honorable Matthew Opoku Prempeh comments on Nkrumah, and I think it's a little offensive. But maybe blame the Kwabena
You are watching Juicy News on
because
YouTube.
He's your candidate.
Hot news all time.
And I'm more launching or I'm more outdoor. No, The Obekambia should have been scripted, should have been agreed upon. But Napo situation where he said, oh, Nanado better than Nkrumah, even more Nkrumah, that makes it offensive. MPP Nankasa, knowing that this is the day I will launch a candidate for compare the first week after the outdooring of Professor Nano Pukadman, it was positive comments after positive comments. Compare it to Napo Day. In MPP, for you had one job to manage one running mate. Napo, he needs a crisis team. He needs a kitchen cabinet made up of some very important people. Now, make a doctor and someone you know here on University of Ghana. They hope they have expertise in political communication and political marketing. People like Gyamfi anymore. People like Francis Pokunumi who have sat, with President Akufo. They have more experience. One number to me and boys, girls, no moody candidate, because of maybe Akata on that day, Napo had one job, marketing or candidate, Now, Napo is not your candidate. You're candidating, but you're marketing. That was your job, marketing. You fail to market your candidate. Oh, marketing Nanado. Whose job has ended? He's going on retirement. What than Nanado I say, you don't need to praise him. Market your candidate. And Bawumia no awaye eduma mo obi enya 1 million votes no. Eduru ne so a ase de bia sama mo kan bia no. Ehwehwe 1 million no. Se Bawumia luzu a mo na maye. Bawumia luzu a mo na maye. All your actions now over the years have been chipping away from 1 million on the man. Have been chipping away from 1 million on the man. And it's sad to see Bawumia going through that. Because many NDC force are not sleeping, they are working. I know you're more advice like I said, NDC force so room to room, door to door. They've gone back and they are doing more of that alongside with interaction for your mini rallies near them. You people must do that again. So somebody about me Napo shut them on more crash course on communication, how to say humanize him like I was saying, do it. But he needs a crisis team. Penifona more parts mooning now Napo can be free be heavily scripted. The Monoa Napo must succumb himself, submit himself to be groomed. You can be the best surgeon, but politics is a different ball game. It is not your game. You went to school to be a surgeon. Politics is a different game. Allow yourself to be scripted, to be groomed, to be trained. Submit yourself. So one kasawa who kwansi and chirawo. 5 months to elections it's a dangerous time. Till the 2 4 kind no kodabia was and put you on repeat. Menye ma Bawumia no menye ma Bawumia no say nipa na komoso perani meeting
be watching juicy news on YouTube. Hot news all time.
Ghana ha ya chechi Ghana abakosoma but Akufo-Addo call retirement but to be sack case we say a free say ya chechi Ghana from 1957 ebe kan ye nya president bi a wabo Ghana China na do da Akufo-Addo me say a free 1957 Bekane, mo famo Kwame Nkrumah no, mo famo Obia di wa ba di mampanya, wa boga na ho ban, e di Ghana kola nim, China na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo. Me ka ne se. Ya di jawa, ne di aswa. Ya di jano no, ofa swa ye ma no ya akono. Eti na ye jira ha, ya ma de si 2008 na bi si biobo. Chama would be kind of a case so. The Bayafe, the Bayani Monyam, Sanana Dubako, Adako, run over. Not 7 January. What's all one in your control of your son?
Me bed, ya Makasa Chen, what them Tunufo.
So, was in a banana, you are Kazachen or them. So,
that's my main control.
So, Dr. Matthew Prempe, who was it? My main control.
So, my Dr. Bawumia, no one who you are.
So, Dr. Bawumia, and no, so you are. So,
and my no who you are.
So, so you are.
Oh, Kwaya Kwaya Sumpane dinner, China, your better one, I was all year.
Oh, Kwaya Sumpa, last year, and also. So,
them no, I can't damn America.
This is asking me, we can't tell them, and so can I say. So,
Pahu Brasia, what the actually nay and come, mammy.
Pahu Brasia, what the actually come,
your city and that you are no better one a year.
So,
Eba ye ya sen krofo bi se wani nso ade me se akwala me tete no ofie ma hunu sa ade enti na na ye kasa. Kema de ye ka no media mesa wuti sente sa e ma ne nye ho. Na Eubanso anyame tumi nti ubedi akire na bibia ya bompa ye akire na de nyame ahyehye ayeho amaye. Dr. Bawumia ka chen Sammy de national nsa.
Dr. Bawumia otu boss na ka chiro wode na no ahya wonsa.
Bia wonso tete no enfomso bia na beba maso nti na me amenti an wodam.
Bia tete no enfomso bia na maso nti.
Ashanti regional chairman wosme dana se papa Bawumia ayi wontumi.
Ashanti regional MPP chairman wontumi otu boss na ka chiro oso wode na se papa.
Da wonso bibiara wajana na chine na ye na baako kama.
Bibiara wajana na chi na ye kama.
Jame wo say the aka de ni nyina wo nyame ho.
You waiting for this news so and our head on. So when you subscribe here, say over subscribe na wa like it, na fi wa share video ama ofofro so enya bi na wa be. Also meeting at what afa eye and some way na ho e wo comment box ni. Mo beti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.